This is the way I grind the meat, I grind the meat is jammed. Hey there, Daddy, how can I help you?
I'd like my money back, please.
Is this a joke? Sons of Butcher Quality Memes offers only the qualitiest memes. A pack? A guitar tuner? Wicked! Wow! That was a perfect meme. Sharp! It's jam. The love of yike! Come steaks on the house.
Done.
And in closing, I'm withholding checks until these steaks are marinated.
Can't you just whip us with shit or something?
What the hell be wrong with you, Saul?
I can feel your lips on my ass, Doug. I approve.
So then all these people are just banging these little dinks because they got merchandise. So when I get paid, I am totally getting Sons of Queer! What do you think?
DICKNUTS, I asked you a question!
Oh!
You're in shit, and it's hilarious.
Well, make some more and pretend it's never smashed. What be the recipe?
Lemons, pig blood, and herb.
Stop messing with me, bitch! Okay, I'll be back with the lemons and herb.
Oh, someone's sure hungry for some lemons.
Yeah. Do you know I could score some lemons and...
Psst. Shit gon' fuck your ass, boy.
And finally the lemons and... I done did it!
You smashed Daddy!
But I made replacements!
The only replacement I need is a marinated dad! Sus, that came out harsher than it sounded in my head.
That's okay. You mad?
Hey, Stinky, I need this printed on 100 shirts. 50 extra large and 50 titty shirts.
Do you have the money for that?
Yes. So when will they be ready?
Never. Now get out before I shoot you out.
What? Dude! Where did you get that wicked cash?
What, please? They pay me
Meat wallets. Meat wallets. Caesar injected wasabi grape. Meat wallets. Dad's meat wallets. The recipe must have died with them. The hell did Dad put in this? Looks like someone puked up a pine tree.
This crawl space ain't so bad. A little dark. Just need to find the light.
So why do you want to work for Steel Co?
Well, I want wicked cash.
You're hired.
Sweet! I mean,
Sweet! Now that, how do you come across me, bitches? Dougie! We've got to mass produce that pine tree you made. Look!
30% chance of precipitation? Vile!
No, you idiot! The headline!
Steeltown buzzing over new Sons of Butcher lemons. Whoa, bitch, are you for real?
Yeah, buddy!
We gotta get brewing!
I got one brewing right now. Start without me.
Congratulations on not getting your arm sucked in. Here's your first check.
What?
We are gonna tag so much queer ass.
Doug go crush the lemons. Doug go fill the jars. Doug go investigate that smell of death under Ricky's bed.
Doug, go take over the shosh.
What the hell be so funny?
Wait. You're dancing on lemons, man. I'm gonna join you. Ow, my eyes. Ow.
That be lemon juice, Saul. Damn.
It's okay, Dougie. It hurts so good.
What the hell be wrong with you, Saul?
Wait. I feel like my inner Saul woke up and told my outer Saul to dance on checks. Go! Go get Pine Tree.
On the flip side, home guy.
This be my chance to reclaim what's mine.
I forgot my wallet.